Hi guys, today we're making Marry Me lentils. These are South Indian Marry Me lentils. I took the sauce from my Hyderabadi wedding chicken and added lentils to it to make this one pot deliciousness that's also so fragrant, hearty, comforting, and just perfect to serve with some naan, flatbread, sourdough, garlic bread, or over rice or quinoa. Don't get intimidated by the ingredient list. Most of the ingredients go in the pan at the same time, so it's a super quick 15-minute active time recipe. So let's make these absolutely delicious South Indian Marry Me lentils. First, chop up your onion, green chilies, cilantro, mint if you're using, as well as curry leaves, and set that aside. Get all of the spices ready and then start making the dish, because most of these ingredients will just go in one after the other. So you want to prep them ahead so that the active time in the kitchen is just about 15 to 20 minutes. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, add the coconut and almond flour to the pan and spread that around and let that toast until the coconut turns golden. The coconut and almond flour will take about a minute or so to start changing color, so you don't have to stir it so frequently in the beginning. But once it starts to change color, stir frequently. Once all of the mixture is nutty and fragrant and golden, then remove it from the skillet and set it aside. Now increase the heat to medium-high, and to the same skillet add some oil. Once the oil is hot, you want to open the green cardamom pods a little bit, then add them to the pan and cook them until the pods change color and get fragrant. Then add in the onion and half of the salt and mix in and cook until the onions are nicely golden brown. This will take anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes depending on your pan and your stove. Once the onions are nicely heated up, you want to keep stirring them every few minutes, as well as add splashes of water so that they brown evenly. The water will also shorten your time needed to brown the onions. Once all of the onions are nicely browned, reduce the heat to medium, add a splash of water, add in all of the spices and mix them in. Then add in the sambal egg, the soy sauce, tomato paste, and mix that in. Then add in the yogurt and cook for about a minute or so that the yogurt incorporates and the tomato paste also mixes in really well. Add in the toasted almond flour and coconut and mix that in. Add in the water, stock, or non-dairy milk and mix that in and bring to a boil. Then let this simmer for about 5 minutes or so. You can partially cover it to let it simmer. After 5 to 6 minutes or so, mix that really well. Add more water to adjust consistency if you like. Taste and adjust the flavor. Add more salt, add more heat, add a dash of lemon juice if you like. And then fold in the lentils. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover with a lid and simmer it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Garnish it with some chopped cilantro or curry leaves, some lemon juice, and some non-dairy cream or yogurt, and serve with rice or flatbread or naan, or with sourdough or garlic bread, or however you like. This is an absolutely must-try dish. It uses some of my favorite spices that I use a lot in Indian cooking, like Kashmiri chili powder and fenugreek leaves. These are not easily available in regular stores. The other ingredients like garam masala, cumin, coriander are easily available, but these are available online. If you make a bunch of my recipes, do get these spices because I use them pretty frequently and you will use them too. If you don't like lentils, you can also add chickpeas, white beans, or other protein to the sauce. All of the flavor is basically in the sauce, so add whatever protein you want to add some vegetables, and try this sauce. These are my delicious South Indian Marry Me lentils. If you try this recipe, do let me know in the comments how you liked it. Also, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Indian recipes, easy vegan meals, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.